Today, we will talk about how to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 11 or 10. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Windows Security. The first step is to open Windows Security. You can do this by clicking on the Start button and typing Windows Security in the search bar. Once you see the app, click on it to open. Step 2. Go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings. In Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection in the left-hand menu. This will take you to the main security dashboard. Step 3. Manage Settings. Now, click on Manage Settings under the Virus and Threat Protection settings. This will open up the settings for Windows Defender. Step 4. Turn off Real-Time Protection. Look for the Real-Time Protection toggle and switch it off. Windows Defender's real-time protection is what actively scans files and programs in real time for potential threats. Step 5. Confirm action. A warning message will pop up. Click on Yes to confirm that you want to turn off real-time protection. Step 6. Disable cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission. Additionally, you may want to disable cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission if you don't want Windows Defender to send information to Microsoft about detected threats. Simply toggle them off. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off or disabled Windows Defender in Windows 11 or 10. Remember, it's crucial to have an alternative antivirus solution if you choose to turn off Windows Defender. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.